Okay, so by the time you're watching this video, it's probably 2023. Today for me is New Year's Eve, and I need to get ready for the new year because I have not done that at all. So get ready with me for the new year. I'm super excited. Let's get into it. First up, you already know we have to create some goals, do a little bit of reflecting, all of that jazz. So I'm gonna get out my paper and get this started. Alrighty, let's start by doing our 2023 year recap. Sorry, 2022. Don't know why I'm thinking it's 2023 already. So I've done this for the past like 3 years, and I think it's kind of just like a nice little closing chapter. First box we are going to do is some highlights and accomplishments of the year. And that's kind of what I just did, and then I'm going to just write at the top, highlights and accomplishments. And if you need help remembering what you did this year, I know it can be kind of hard, look through your camera roll and you'll see like all the things that you did this year that you're proud of or happy about. Alright, I just made a list of everything that I think was important in this year and that I feel good about and all that fun stuff. So now that I did that, I'm going to do the next box. The next box is what worked. I'm not sure how long this is going to be, so I'm just going to write what worked at the top as my header. I'm going to fill it out and then I'll make the box once I know how long I want the box to be. Alrighty, I have my box and I'm just gonna box that up. So now, of course, obviously things are always gonna go our way, so I'm just gonna put a little box saying what didn't work and just fill it up with things that, I don't know, I thought that wasn't super great. I feel like last year was a lot more things that didn't work for me, that this year, I feel like, I don't know, everything kind of just went well this year. Obviously, everyone has different years, and you should not try to compare your 1 year to someone else's because you're all in different stages of life and in different stages of happiness and growth. And yeah, just know that everyone else's life is never as good as you think it is, but you also should be grateful for your own life and try to improve it in any way possible. So yeah, that's just why I'm doing this, really. Next box I'm gonna make is a goals box for next year, and these are actually things I want to improve upon. And I don't know, I feel like if you don't have anywhere that you're going, what are you doing? You need at least some sort of objective in life. So yeah, I'm gonna write down my goals, and that will lead us to the next step. Okay, so I've created my goals. They consist of working on my running, reading more often, making videos and being excited about those videos for YouTube, lowering my screen time, getting more sad about college and stuff, and also like doing well on future exams that I'll be taking, like the AP exam. So yeah, those are some of my goals. And now we're gonna go to Pinterest and create a vision board. I kind of already started this, but I'm gonna keep working. One thing I love about Pinterest is going to more ideas and literally just pressing plus on a bunch of things that it thinks you would do good on for your board. Love that about Pinterest. So I'm just going to scroll through and see if I see anything that I enjoy. Okay, just finished. I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little digital declutter. So one thing I wanted to do for next year is work on my screen time. And I'm just going to go into Instagram and YouTube and go through all of my YouTubers that I don't really watch and people that I don't really want to clear up my Instagram feed and just unsubscribe and unfollow. Simple as that. So yeah, sometimes you just gotta unsubscribe. I'm just gonna go to all those things that are most shown in my feed and quickly get rid of those. Now we're going to YouTube. We're gonna go to my subscriptions and kind of just scroll down to the bottom and deal with all that. Okay, I just did a social media detox, which feels so good. Now I'm just going to clear off my notifications and try to get rid of as much notifications in my home screen as possible. We are now making a collage on Canva. Do is choose a new wallpaper and just overall recustomize my home screen. Perfect. And I'll just set that as my lock screen. I'll keep my home screen the same, but I'm going to change these widgets up. Let's start with this one. First page is complete. On to the next one. And done. Super cute. Alright, we're good with that. Hey guys, it's a little bit later, but I'm going to go into the next step of resetting for the new year. So, what I've been doing is I've been going through some of my clothes, and I've been trying to get rid of things that I think are way too small. So I'm going to show you what I've done so far. So, I have this old shirt that's like a kid's size, and it just honestly just isn't my style anymore. It doesn't fit me. I have this shirt, and I got on vacation. It doesn't fit me, which is sad. I have these sweatpants, which are just too short and they always ride up. I have this shirt, which is too small, and I have this shirt, which is that same shirt but in a different color and also too small. So yeah, here's what I got so far. I'm gonna go through some of my clothes and see if there's anything else that won't fit me anymore. There's a couple things in here that still fit, but I don't really want them in my main drawer. I want to put them in my closet a little bit further away. Like this shirt can go away into my closet. This shirt also can go in my closet. This shirt back here can go in my closet. Alright, that's pretty good for there. Next drawer. I already pretty much went through all this stuff, and I think almost everything in here now fits. Alright, we're pretty much good there. Okay, here are all the final clothes that are gonna go in my closet. Fairly decent, and I think you should always just go through your clothes and make sure you have things that are not fitting. Okay, just organized all these t-shirts in order from the sizes that are the largest to the smallest that least likely fit me, and much better now. And I also have another shirt that I'm going to donate, which is great. Alrighty, that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys were able to reset your life with me for 2023. Hopefully you enjoyed. See you later. Bye.